Hey, what's up, guys? This is Volvo Pedia Guy. Today, I'm working on an XC60 2019. I'm doing the evaporator. So this is how it looks like when I do an evaporator. This is the inside of the car. The dashboard is removed. There's a frame, also steering wheel, many components, they have to be removed. This is the engine side. On the other side is the engine. So that's where the evaporator is attached to. Expansion valve and the coolant lines for the heater core. The outside air comes from here. There's some drains here for the AC. Steering column lock should be over here going down. So it pays around 11 hours. I can do it maybe like in 8 hours, 7 hours. This is the engine side. Well, this is the dashboard here, the frame, steering wheel, everything together with a column. This is a hybrid, so it has this coolant reservoir. I started like at 2:30, so right now it's 4:30. So I've been here two hours, and the new evaporator is going back in place. This is the old one. It was leaking. It has some dye over here. It's green, so that's a sign of a leakage. And of course, it wasn't cooling because the Freon escaped. This is the climate box here. Cabin filters in there. So this is the heater core. Evaporators inside here. XC60. I want to thank you guys for watching my videos, and please subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos. Thank you everybody, and God bless you.